To maximize revenue and build a loyal customer base, accommodations can leverage online travel agencies' OTAs while encouraging guests to book directly on their own websites. Here are some effective marketing strategies for this approach. Leverage OTAs, exposure for brand awareness. Use OTAs to increase your brand's visibility among new travelers. OTAs spend heavily on advertising and rank high in search results, helping potential guests discover your property. Include consistent branding, high-quality images, and a compelling description on your OTA's listings to make a strong first impression. Then, encourage guests to explore your direct website for additional benefits or unique offers. Offer exclusive benefits for direct bookings. Use direct-only incentives like free upgrades, complimentary breakfast, early check-in, or late checkout to attract guests to book directly. Highlight these perks both on OTA listings and your website. Create limited-time offers that are exclusive to your site. For instance, promote a special discount or package available only to those who book directly. Let's look at engaging in remarketing campaigns, using retargeting ads on social media and search engines for users who visit your OTA's listings and encourage any future potential guests to book directly. This keeps your brand top of mind and guides them back to your website. Thank you for listening to the first part of this tutorial. I would now like to pass you over to Jane to continue.
Thank you, Tom, for your informative tutorial. Now let's talk about encouraging guests who book via OTAs to sign up for your newsletter, allowing you to offer loyalty rewards or exclusive promotions for future direct bookings. Send follow-up emails to OTA's guests, offering direct booking discounts for their next stay. This builds a loyal customer base and reduces dependence on OTAs over time. Let's cover highlighting and the benefits of booking directly. Making sure visitors know the advantages of booking directly by featuring a Book Direct message with clear calls to action on your OTA's profiles and your website. Include testimonials or reviews that highlight the ease and perks of direct booking. Use OTA's reviews and feedback to improve your site and monitor any reviews to understand your guests' preferences and dislikes. Use this information to optimize your website content and offerings. Try to make your site more appealing for guests to book directly. Promote your loyalty program. If you have a loyalty program, promote it heavily on your website and OTA's profiles, emphasizing that benefits are available only when guests book directly. Offer a simple sign-up process and clearly communicate rewards, such as discounts, room upgrades, or points, to encourage guests to return and book through your site. Let's optimize your website for direct bookings. Ensure your booking process is simple and mobile-friendly, with a clear, user-friendly interface. Display direct booking perks prominently, then remove any obstacles on the website. To secure the booking quickly, make sure pricing on your website is competitive. If OTAs list discounts, provide value-added options on your website to make booking directly with you more attractive. Okay, let's look at meta search advertising campaigns. Invest in meta search engines like Google Hotel Ads or TripAdvisor, which display rates from various sources and help drive traffic to your direct booking platform. Showcase direct booking benefits in these ads to highlight why booking directly is more valuable to your guests. And finally, using OTAs can be a smart way to increase brand visibility and attract new guests. By strategically leveraging these platforms, you can build brand awareness, then guide guests toward booking directly with you in the future. This balanced approach allows you to benefit from the reach of OTA's partnerships while establishing a strong direct booking strategy that boosts revenue and builds guest loyalty. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this has been of assistance in gaining bookings without having to use OTAs. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.